हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। और आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं पार्ट बी 48 से लेके 100 तक री एग्ज़ाम बोर्ड ने 1991 CPMTUP। और ये इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs हैं 2025 की एग्ज़ामिनेशन में, जिससे कि आपको कुछ ना कुछ क्वेश्चन तो मिल ही जाएंगे। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हम शुरुआत कर देते हैं 48 से। तो पहला क्वेश्चन आपका है, फिश इज रिलेटेड विद प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस। इसका आपका पहला है। नेक्स्ट, कार्निवोरस प्लांट किल द इंसेक्ट टू ऑब्टेन। ये आपका पहला। नेक्स्ट, प्लांट विल्टिंग इज ड्यू टू। सेकेंड, fern differ from moss in having. Third, next, root hair arise from. Snake belong to. A site of respiration in cell edge. Fish of these in uncommon. Number of independent layer is gymnosperm and angiosperm. Fish of these pyramid is always correct. Not used in. Fish is not found in bacteria. Fish of these are identical. Sperm of cycas is. Cycas is similar to fern in having. Fish of these of cycas is largest in plant kingdom. Fish of these is not found in cycas. Greenhouse gases are. Greenhouse gases are most concentrate when placentation in fish. Ovule is not attached with ovary wall but with central axis. Cycas plant is layer of soil profile is made up of. Ultimate energy source is an ecosystem is. Neck canal cell is absent in. Number of stomata present per square centimeter of leaf surface. Next, fish of these habits are not found in gymnosperm. The oxygen liberated during photosynthesis is obtained from. Number of meiosis division required to form 160 pollen. Percentage of light used in photosynthesis is. In experiment of mutation device used plant. Cystolith is the deposition of. Ponds is more or less similar to. hydrolytic enzymes are found in the young population is maximum in acid rain is due to apical dominance is due to dark reaction of photosynthesis. Mendel was successful in this experiment because floral formula of crucifery is treatment. Peptide bond bind. Nitrogen absorbed by plants is in produced by inferior ovary is in photosynthesis chlorophyll absorb. Intermediate community between pioneer and climax communically are commonly known as the relative lights of the daylight to which a plant is exposed for flowering is called as fish is of the different from category. In ecosystem, vital role is of we can bear the weight of more population when we all are. Ecosystem is decomposition occurs due to the seed taken by the Mendel in dihybrid cross were in photosynthesis O2 is liberated from इस तरीके से हमारे री एग्ज़ाम बॉटनी 1991 पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक ज़रूर करें।